also think, Neil, that you have a situation where we have to go back. Everyone goes back to the team that they brought. I mean, we have a very narrow. The election is contested in the middle by independents. Democrats come home. Republicans come home. I don't see this as a sea change that so many of my colleagues are suggesting. I think it's going to be a lot tighter. I think that divided government, it isn't so much that nothing gets done. It is that if anything gets done, it requires compromise. It requires, for instance, on the issue of immigration, a divided government. Maybe we can get together finally after all these decades and come and with a comprehensive immigration plan that works, rather than saying, oh, look, you're in charge and it's awful, and you're in charge and this is awful. I want people to come together. That's why I was disappointed with President Biden's speech the other day. Democracy itself is at stake. That's baloney.